Hello students, welcome to Science Fact Educations. Today I am going to solve a problem where it is given that a certain sample of cuprous sulfide is found to have composition Cu 1.8 sulfur. Because of incorporation of Cu2 plus ions in the lattice, what is the mole percentage of Cu2 plus in total content in this crystal? To solve this problem, you should know molecular formula of a pure compound of copper sulfide. So, molecular formula of pure cuprous sulfide, that should be equal to Cu2s, where the oxidation state of copper is nothing but a +1. Okay. While due to impurities of Cu2 plus ions, formula becomes Cu 1.8 sulfur. Since we know that two Cu plus ions are replaced by one Cu2 plus in Cu2s sample. So, total loss of copper that should be equal to what? 2 minus 1.8. Okay. So, we have 0.2 mole of Cu2 plus 0.2 mole of copper which is incorporated in the crystal lattice. Okay. So therefore percentage of Cu2 plus that should be equal to 0.2 mole of Cu2 plus, okay, divided by total moles of copper, that is nothing but a 1.8 into 100, which results 11.11%. Okay. While this question can also be solved on the basis of electroneutrality principle, since we have the formula that is Cu 1.8 sulfur. You can consider that whatever the number is given with the atom, that is with copper it is given 1.8 and with sulfur it is 1. Okay, it is 1. It means with respect to per 100 sulfur ions or atom, we can say that we have 180 copper atoms in different oxidation state. 180 copper atoms or ions in different oxidation state. So we have number of sulfide ion that is equal to 100. Of course, on the basis of that, we have total negative charge is equal to 2 into 100, because one sulfur atom, that is in this formula, one sulfur atom acquires a 2 negative charge. So we have total negative charge in terms of magnitude, that is equal to 2 into 100. Similarly, we have copper atoms. So the number of copper atoms that is equal to 180. And out of 180, some copper atoms present in bivalent form, while some copper atoms are present in monovalent form. Let's suppose that if Cu2 plus present, that is number of Cu2 plus is X, and the number of Cu plus is nothing but 180 minus X, that should be 180 minus X. Of course, total positive charge that should be equal to what? 2x plus 1 into 180 minus x. Okay. And since this Cu 1.8 sulfur, it is a whole neutral, that is why we can say that total positive charge that should be equal to total negative charge. So total positive charge, that is 2x plus 1 into 180 minus x, that means 180 minus x, which is equal to 2 into 100. Okay, no need to use the sign of negative. Only we have to use the magnitude of positive charge and negative charge. So we will get x is equal to what? X is equal to, we will get around 20. Yes, 20. Of course, percentage of x, that is percentage of Cu2 plus ion, that is equal to 20 divided by total copper 180 into 100. Of course, we will get again 11.11%. So this is the another way to calculate the mole percentage of copper 2 plus ion, that is in total content in this crystal. So the correct answer should be B. Thank you for watching this video.